Throughout history, power has often come at a steep price. But few rulers have wielded their authority quite as ruthlessly as this queen in an age where loyalty was often fickle, and betrayal lurked in the shadows. One queen stands out for her brutal reign. Queen Mary I of England, often referred to as Bloody Mary. Born on February 18, 1516, Mary was the only surviving legitimate child of King Henry VIII and his first wife, Catherine of Aragon. Her desire to reclaim England for Catholicism would drive her to implement horrifying measures after years of political intrigue and personal heartbreak. Her mother's downfall, her own exclusion from the line of succession. Mary finally ascended to the throne in 1553. But her reign would be marked not by glory, but by bloodshed. Mary married Philip II of Spain, firmly aligning England with Catholicism and condemning Protestant reformers in her kingdom. Her marriage only intensified the divisions in England. Determined to restore Catholicism, Mary initiated a ruthless campaign against Protestant dissenters, leading to more than 280 executions over 5 years. It is said that these public burnings were meant to serve as warnings. Among her most notorious victims were Bishops Nicholas Ridley and Hugh Latimer, whose executions became emblematic of her violent policies. As they burned at the stake, Latimer famously shouted, "Play the man, Master Ridley," a rallying cry for their cause. Mary's reign was met with resistance and fear. Her harsh measures only fueled anti-Catholic sentiment, laying the groundwork for future uprisings. Despite her intentions, Mary became a symbol of tyranny and fear. Her actions would haunt her legacy, leading to her unfavorable portrayal in history. But what drove her to such extremes? Was it merely ambition or the influence of a deeply divided nation? Conclusion: Queen Mary I's quest for religious unity came at a horrific cost, one that would resonate through time, reminding us of the fragility of power and the consequences of fanaticism. If you found this exploration into the life and reign of Bloody Mary fascinating, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more deep dives into history's most compelling figures.